Right guys, so I am back and I did manage to cop all 4 of them, and I have the white ones here. I've done a video on the other ones as well, so just look out for it. I'll put cards all through the video as well. But anyways, this is the best one. Like, yo, I would be pissed if I couldn't get this, and it's so crazy that I had difficulties actually getting this, because where I went initially they only had the other 3 in my size and they didn't have this in my size, so I had to make my way over to Foot Patrol because I just couldn't go home without these. And luckily enough they are sitting in store, but then it's annoying as well because it would be more exciting if it was limited and whatnot. But it is still lit though. Like, you can see, like, for example, like looking at the shoe itself, like the embroidery, like in the Chinese writing, whatever, it's just I feel it's all white and white, but it just stands out. Like, it just, man, I'm actually gassed over these shoes, man, I won't lie. And you know, the whole color contrast with the green laces. However, it has got extra laces, the white Jones here, so if I decide to change it, but that's too much white. I think I like the green for now anyways. And also this whole colorful pattern that they got going on here. Like, the whole shoe just works with the little accent of yellow. It just works. It just makes sense together. So I am actually pleased that I got these, because like I said, it's just my favorite one from the whole inspiration pack. So the other one, I think the blue one basically, like the one with the blue, orange and pink, is too much going on, I would say, because the other ones is quite simple that you could work with, and because I don't like too much craziness going on, so that's too much for me. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. However, I'm keeping the rest 3 of them because, like, you know, why not? Like, and especially because I don't think I can even get refunds and all of these. So, and also I've bought it for a video, so it just makes sense I keep it. But anyways, let's go into some close-up shots of all these just amazing crepes, and so you can see, like, have a feel for it, how it looks on feet as well. So I guess without just keeping you lot too much, let's just head into all of that right now. Yes, so right guys, I hope you did enjoy the video I've put together for you lot today. And like, I know the colors might be a bit off, I'm not too sure, but like, I got a new camera now, so it's like I'm still playing with the settings and whatever not, and figuring out the whole color grading and whatever. But with that being said, I hope you did enjoy the video, and it's only gonna get better, man, so bear with me with the whole colors because it's actually putting me off, because I'm rendering one, as you can see right now. But yeah, anyways, this is the lit one out of the pack. So like, yeah, I'm excited for this one. I don't know if I'm shit with emotions, but like, yeah, like, I am excited for this one anyways. But yeah, so that's about it for this video. So if you did enjoy it, man, just leave a like and subscribe if you're new as well, and also like leave me a comment or something. Like, just, you know, it does motivate me to keep going, even if it's negative, because then I can then work on it and whatever not. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video, man. But as for this one, I'm out.